Python also has a full set of bitwise operators for operating on binary values, and occasionally this comes in handy. It's a little bit difficult to show because when you print a value, for example, if I just say 5 here, it'll print it in decimal. Even if I specify it in binary, if I say 0B0101, which is a 5, it still prints it in decimal. So I'm going to write a little one-line function. I'm going to call it B for printing binary values. I'm going to use a format string here, and we'll learn more about those in a later chapter. And the format method of the string, like that. And now, when I say B5 like that, it prints the binary value to 8 places. And that's basically what that format string does. Inside the curly braces, the :08B, that prints out a binary value to 8 places. So now we can look at the binary operators and we can see what they do on a bitwise level. So we're going to define a couple of values, and we'll call them X and Y. And X, we'll give it a couple of 5s so that it's 01, 01, 01, etc. And we'll do that like this. And Y, we'll do the same thing but with the opposite bits, and that happens to be AA in hexadecimal. And so if we look at these values, X looks like that, and Y looks like that. So the OR of these two values, which would be X or Y, and the vertical bar there is the OR operator, we'll have all the bits set like that. And the AND of the two values, which is with the ampersand, will have all the bits cleared. And the exclusive OR will look just like the OR. So instead, let's take the exclusive OR of, say, X and say 0. And that'll look like that. Or if we take the exclusive OR of X and all the bits on, it'll look like that because all of the bits get flipped. We also have shift operators. We can say X shifted left by 4 bits, and there we have 4 cleared bits on the right. Or we can say X shifted to the right by 4 bits, and it clears all the bits on the left. And we have the ones complement operator, which is a unary operator, and it just looks like that, a little tilde. And since it operates on the word size of the implementation, which is more than the 8 bits that I'm printing, it gets a sign extension and it ends up looking like that. So those are the bitwise or binary operators. The word binary could mean having to do with 2 values, so we call them bitwise operators. And those are the bitwise operators available in Python.